Hey, welcome back to the Scale Model Experiment. Makiko went to Japan, and of course she had to bring me back some omiyage souvenirs. So, we got some Hasegawa mirror finish. This is kind of like bare metal foil, but instead it's more like window tint film, actually. So it stretches a little bit, and but it's adhesive, so it works really good. I used it on the Ferrari Dino project. In addition, she also got me some carbon fiber ones. And so there's like a fine and a coarse, and I'll show you. Her brother, Shiro, got me a BRZ face mask. Pretty cool. Arigato. You had to get treats. Dark chocolate. Makiko's friend Fumi-san got this Japanese taxi, and it's Tokyo Olympics commemorative edition. Kind of neat. In this special little box. Probably can't ever buy this again. But I also have the aoshima 1/24 scale Japan taxi. Brian from BG Model Works gave this to me last year for Christmas, I believe. I wish I could do the decal to make them match. That'd be kind of cool. Arigato, Fumi-san. I appreciate it, thank you. But the coolest thing is this Gatcha toy. And it's called the Gatcha toy because the machine, it's like a gumball machine. You put your, this one was 500 yen, $5. So she put 500 yen in the machine, and you turn it and it goes Gatcha pon. So it's called Gatcha pon. So let me show you what's inside of this. It's pretty cool. It is a 1/64 scale Nissan Skyline. Painting, I think it could use a little polish, maybe a little wet sanding. Of course, I'm going to go overboard with it. It's got some bumpers, some wheels. Not really sure what else is in there. I think those are mirrors. Of course, the interior and the chassis are in there as well. So basically, it's a model car kit of a 1/64 scale diecast. So comes with instructions. I'm sorry. Yeah, here's the instructions. Real basic. There's other colors in the series. It's kind of cool. I got the silver one. And the best part about it is there's decals. Lots of them. Look at all of these little decals for this 1/64 scale car. Talk about tiny. Wow. I'm gonna have a good time with this one. I'm gonna do a whole build video just on this little car. Now let's see if I can get this thing back in there. Of course not. Yeah, close enough. So this is the carbon fiber finish 12. I don't know if we can see. Yeah, there we go. Right in the light, you can see the pattern to it. And it's sort of a glossy finish already, but this is a film. So you just put it right over a painted surface, and it's a glossy carbon fiber already. Don't have to clear coat over it. Let's compare the 12 with the 20. All right, you can barely see the texture in this 20, so it's a much finer pattern to it. Compare the 12 with the 20. As you can see, it's a much finer pattern. Kind of anxious to try these. I forgot to mention, she got me this as well. You say, what is that? They're black Q-tips. I think some of the guys overseas use these, but they're like regular old Q-tip, but they're black and they don't shed the little white hairs all over your foil job or whatever you're working on. So kind of neat. So she got me a whole thing of 100-ish. So thank you, Makiko. Arigatou gozaimasu. Thank you for letting me share my omeyage from Japan. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.